So it's been a while. I'll do a bike check for my 2010 Eastern Growler. So last time I've gotten a new stem. I don't really know what it is. It's some sort of Hoffman stem. Not really sure. I got it from a friend. I've gotten new grips, the bit something, I don't remember, and then new barends, and got new valve caps, the spike ones, got new tires, the animal ASM on the front, and an Eastern burnout on the back, and a bunch of stickers. I don't know, I like stickers. And if you didn't already know, which I don't remember, I got animal piff bars 2.0. So next thing to come is a new seat, and then after that probably new cranks, and then pegs, and probably forks, and then eventually a new frame. That'll be a while.